Welcome back to Decor Catalogue. If you're planning a bathroom upgrade or designing a new home, today's video is for you. In this video, we'll explore modern bathroom washroom basin design ideas that combine style, comfort, and smart functionality. Let's get started. Modern washroom basin designs are all about clean lines, minimal shapes, and practical use. One of the most popular choices today is the wall-mounted basin. It gives a sleek floating look and is perfect for small bathrooms because it creates a sense of openness. Next, we have countertop basins, also known as vessel basins. These sit beautifully on vanity units and instantly add a luxury feel. Available in ceramic, stone, marble, and even glass, countertop basins work best in modern and contemporary bathrooms. For a seamless and clutter-free look, integrated basins are an excellent option. These basins are built directly into the countertop, making cleaning easier and enhancing the overall elegance of the space. If you love a bold statement, consider designer or sculptural basins. Unique shapes, matte finishes, and textured surfaces can turn a simple wash area into a stunning focal point. Material selection also plays a big role. Ceramic basins remain timeless and easy to maintain, while stone and marble basins add a natural and premium touch. Matte black and soft neutral tones are trending for a modern aesthetic. Don't forget about smart storage. Pairing your basin with a floating vanity or drawers keeps the washroom organized while maintaining a modern look. Also, matching modern faucets in chrome, matte black, or brushed gold can elevate the entire design. Conclusion. Modern bathroom washroom basin designs are not just about looks, they're about comfort, functionality, and smart use of space. Whether you prefer minimal, luxurious, or bold designs, the right basin can completely transform your bathroom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Decor Catalogue, and share your thoughts in the comments. Also tell us which country you're watching from, we'd love to know.